Today we're talking about the virtual key feature on your new Genie 6170. Virtual key allows you to share access to your garage door in two different ways. Family for 24/7 access, or temporary and recurring for specific days and times. Let's start with the family setting. I'm going to choose family and enter in the contact info. They'll receive an email with instructions to download the Aladdin app, create an account, and immediately be granted 24/7 access to my garage door. Now let's talk about the temporary and recurring setting. First, I'll fill out the access details. I want my pet sitter to have access for 2 hours every Thursday. Then I'll enter in their contact info. Just like family access, they'll receive an email to download the app and create an account. The Aladdin app screen for family access will look like this, similar to yours as the owner. And the screen for temporary and recurring will look like this, with their access schedule outlined underneath. You can change these settings at any time within the Aladdin app. We hope this was helpful and you enjoy using this feature on your new Genie opener.
We vow to wow. Precision Garage Door, a name you can trust.